Gorgeous. Let's give it a taste. Wowee. That's a home run dinner right there. Come with me because today we're making my creamy spinach and chicken pasta dish. Let's get started. It is delicious. It comes together quickly. In my bowl, I have 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs. To that, I'm gonna add some extra virgin olive oil, some paprika, some onion powder, some garlic powder, some black pepper, and some salt. And then we're gonna just mix this up, get all the chicken coated in the olive oil and the seasonings. Now we're gonna set this aside and we're gonna go over to the stove. So to my skillet, we're gonna add in about 3 tablespoons of butter, 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Once our butter and oil are melted and heated up, we're gonna start adding in the chicken thighs. So now we're gonna cook them for about 4 to 5 minutes per side. Give them some color, let them cook through, and then I'll show you the next step. Our thighs are ready to flip. Look at that gorgeous color we got on that. So I got rid of most of the oil that was in the pan, and I left about 3 tablespoons because we want all the flavor that we've built up here in the pan. So I'm gonna add in some garlic. Once we've cooked the garlic for about 30 seconds and we can start to smell it, I'm gonna add in my spinach. Now we're just gonna saute the spinach until it's wilted. I'm gonna hit it with some salt, some black pepper, and just a little bit of nutmeg. And now that our spinach is nice and wilted, let's start building the sauce. So I wanna start by deglazing the pan with some chicken broth or chicken stock. Make sure you scrape the bottom of the pan and get all of that goodness off the bottom of the pan. That's all our flavor for our sauce. Look at our chicken stock, how it changed colors. So it's so deeply brown. That's because we scraped up all those lovely bits off the bottom of our pan. So now I'm gonna come back behind that with some heavy cream. What a difference, right? Now before we go any further, I just wanna season it up a little bit. So we're just gonna repeat the same seasonings that are on the chicken. A little bit of paprika, a little bit of garlic powder, a little bit of onion powder, a dash more nutmeg. Give that a stir. Now, this is very important. Turn your heat on its lowest setting. And now we're gonna add in our ricotta cheese. Let's give that a mix, get that all incorporated. Once your ricotta cheese has almost fully incorporated and melted into the sauce, I'm gonna go in with some Parmigiano Reggiano cheese, about 2 really good handfuls, and we're just gonna mix that in. And you wanna leave the heat on very, very low because we don't want this to be a grainy sauce. And if you add cheese into any sauce on too high of a heat, that's when it becomes grainy and sandy. Now we're just gonna let this simmer away for a couple of minutes while I slice up the chicken. Our sauce is simmering away, and doesn't she look beautiful? I have all the chicken cut up, so now I'm just gonna slide that back into the sauce along with all of the drippings. Give that a stir. Look at that, doesn't it look beautiful? So now we're just gonna let this simmer away for a couple of minutes, let the chicken reheat through, and then we're gonna pour it over we're gonna put the pasta in there, and then we're gonna serve it up. Our sauce is done. Our chicken is reheated through. So now I'm gonna add in my penne pasta. And I have a cup of the reserved chicken stock, the reserved pasta water, just in case we need it, but I don't think we're going to. Is that not gorgeous or what? Let's plate it up. Look at this gorgeous pan. Let's get it into the bowl. Oh my God, this pan is heavy. Isn't it gorgeous? Hey, let's give it a taste. It's my favorite part. Oh my God, look how creamy that is. Some chicken. Let's give it a taste. Wowee. That's a home run dinner right there. It's everything in one pan. The pasta is perfectly cooked. The spinach is divine. And the chicken has so much flavor. That cream sauce, man, I'm telling you right now, you're gonna wanna save this video because you're gonna wanna make this cream sauce. Oh my goodness. It's so good, my dog is sitting here begging for it. I'm gonna have to end this video because I can stand here literally and eat this entire bowl. It's that good. Guys, if you want the recipe to my creamy spinach and chicken pasta dinner, just comment the word recipe in the comment section below and I'll be sure to send it to your DM. Or you can go to the link in my bio and go to my Substack and you can find the recipe there. Thanks so much for having dinner with me. Bye.